And with this surge hitting new records, businesses are feeling the pain too as they struggle with staffing.
Boy, are they, especially at bars and restaurants where they're already facing a worker shortage. We want to get out to Sean Lay, who's checking with businesses today to see how they're even able to manage to open their doors at this point, Sean.
Well, some, Jason and Kimberly, did not open their doors even on New Year's Eve. Such a staffing shortage today. Some McDonald's locations adding a help wanted note, serving it up with the food. And here's the reason why.
I don't think there's any question that the hospitality, leisure and hospitality took the biggest beating in terms of being able to retain people who they had prior to the pandemic.
It's going on 1 year since Jim Brady's in Royal Oak and Ann Arbor have been able to open for lunch. People who couldn't work when businesses closed during COVID shutdowns simply have not come back.
And I think that there was a change in mentality with a lot of these people when they had that chunk of time that broke the reality that they knew, where it was just like, this is what we do, right? You just kind of get into a routine of what you do. I think it completely changed that. And I think a good chunk of people went to another line of work that were in leisure and hospitality.
You see it and feel it all across Metro Detroit. Over the money-making holidays, some bars and restaurants could not open because they simply didn't have the staff, even on New Year's Eve. Others only have enough people to open for dinner. Hospitals, healthcare, you name the industry, there continues to be a shortage of staffers. Tom Brady, he doesn't want to overwork the staff that he does have.
I think we're going to get to that point. We get through spring, summer, fall again, where everybody's not cooped up inside. And the number of people that have either been infected, been vaccinated is just going to be to the point where hopefully I think what they call it is endemic, to where it's around, but we can work through this.
Back here live, when will that endemic hit, though? That's what a lot of people are looking at, and also doing some digging deeper, I should say, on this. A couple of reasons why a lot of staff members say they're not going to go back and haven't gone back. One is because of COVID concerns, again, because of the Omicron variant, and also how they were treated by customers over mask rules. Jason, Kimberly?
Yeah, good point, Sean.